Okay, so a lot of people don't know how to make Roblox accounts, so we're going to do that right now. I'm just gonna put in my birthday because it says to do that. What I would do is if you are under 13, is I would use your parents' account. And try not to lie. So I'm just gonna do 2000 because this is not a real account. Then do your username. So you can't have spaces either. I like dogs. 100. That. So down here it will say like this username is already in use. Like for example, I like dogs is already in use. You can type in underscores like this. Like that's already in use. Apparently that's not in use. I can understand why though. But like, yeah. So you can't. Apparently you can't. Like, it's easy to set up an account with this. Just this is easy to set up. Just when you open up Roblox, sometimes you're in the game thing, and then there's like the login and setup thing up here, or sign up. So it's kind of odd how it works, but we're gonna put 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 20, 20, 2025. Alright, well, okay, that does not work. Then your password, I'm just gonna do the real dog guy. Then you can click this to show your password, the real dog guy. Then choose your gender right here. Then you can click these to see terms of use and privacy policy. If you're an adult setting up an account for your kid, or a kid that doesn't know how Roblox works, there are some things in Roblox that you should have a parent look at before you play. So click these two links, maybe, if you want to. Then that will take you to the privacy policy and terms of use. That way, you know more about Roblox. And Roblox is so we're going to click sign up. I'm going to change my password after this. I'm just going to click X. So now, we have our account. So first, this pops up, and then this is your like recommended for you because these are the top playing games so far. Islands is a really fun game. So you have your panel on the side here. Home is where we are right now. When you have friends, the friends will be here, and then this will be pushed down, and then there will be friends playing and a lot of other stuff down. Then there's chat, play games. Chat is for the friends, like you make friends, then you can click this, and then it'll like you'll see when you have friends. I don't have friends right now. You make friends in the game, and then yeah, you can click play games, and then it'll take you to the games page over somewhere over here, or no, it's right here at the top. Then there are a lot of top playing games like Popular. There's Welcome to Bloxburg. There's .me and a lot of other fun games. Roblox is a really fun game. I've been playing for a long time. Oh, and by the way, this chat thing is only on computer. But yeah, Roblox is a really fun game. Robux are the currency in the game. So, for example, if I go into Bloxburg, Bloxburg is a paid access game, which means you have to click this, buy Robux, then you have these Robux things, and if you just want a little bit of Robux just to, for example, buy Bloxburg, I would only buy this $5 thing. These are quick clicks to other games. I wouldn't click on them because I just wouldn't. So you have home, you have profile. This is just a slower way of clicking this. It'll take you to the same page. Creations, you automatically get set up with your name. It's called your name apostrophe s place. So if you click create, then you have this whole system. I might go into that into a later episode or video, whatever. Messages. You have your messages about like news, inbox, sent, archive, whatever. Then you have your friends, which is where you can do things, and you can search usernames up here. For example, this is my other account. Add me all. Click this, and then you have people. So as you're searching up names, there's players, there's games, there's catalog, there's groups, and then there's the library. I don't know what that is. But the catalog is your avatar shop, meaning this is where you buy stuff to edit your avatar. And right below friend, well, okay, so you set up your avatar there. Then in your friends thing, there's followers, following, friends, and requests. I have a lot of requests on my main account. It's just so funny. But your requests is where there's cancel and then add, and then right up here I'm pretty sure is a button that says ignore all. And then there's friends, followers, and everything. And then we go into the avatar, which is where you can set your body up and yeah, so you can make your avatar and then you can do, it's pretty limitless, and with premium you can actually make shirts for your group, and then you can sell those for Robux, which is really interesting. And so yeah, you can make stuff, you can dress your guy up, and then on computer if you click avatar shop, and then if you click something over here, for example if you just click clothing and then all clothing, you can search down here, you can click free, and then these are the stuff that's made by Roblox or other things, and then you can buy all these. It's not really buying because they're free. So you can, for example this, you click get now, and then after you buy it there will be this little button that sends you straight to the avatar editor. Then now I just have a blue shirt. They look hideous. So yeah, so that's the avatar, and then the inventory is like what you own. Like for example, accessories is like hats, hair, like these are the hairs that we saw in the avatar thing. And then face, for example, we have those aviators. Neck, we don't have anything because. And then these will show you quick things to get stuff. And then there's animations, which you can. That's okay. Well, so there are different things that you can buy. So Roblox had a recent update about animation. So if you click avatar over here, and then you go into animations, there's emotes, and then there are these one things, and then you equip emotes. Then you already have some presets. If this is if you already had this before the update, then you actually have to manually put everything in. But when you're in the game, you can press period, and then that exact circle will pull up, and then you click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through 8. And then there's more stuff in the inventory. Audio, that's like little sounds, for example. Yeah, like people make audio. Sorry if that was really loud. That was really loud for me. So, you have audios, avatar animations, run, walk, fall, climb, everything. Badges, you can get these by playing games. Once you play a game, there's a setting in the game where you can see the badges that you can earn. And then that's how you get badges. And then this will show all your badges, decals. This is odd, but there are decals that you can use in build mode / create. Emotes are these animations. I have no clue what they are. Faces, there's faces, game passes. So this is more of a show kind of a thing. So we're just gonna click on my restaurant. So if we click store, there are a bunch of things. So there's passes, and then there's gear for this game, and then this is just like gears that you can buy. And then these are your game passes. These unlock items in the game. And so there are games that say plus $30 or something, 30 in-game credits. And if it's in passes, I wouldn't buy it unless you click on it and then it has a description that says like every time you join you get $30. So that's passes. I will look into that in another video. I'm just going through this quick because this is probably really long already. Trade. So you can only trade if you are a premium, and you can only trade 2 other premiums. Groups, you can create a group. Like you can click create group right here, and then you can put an image, and then you have to spend 100 Robux to join. And then my feed, I don't know what this is. Blog, I don't know. Official store, don't go there, I don't know. Gift cards, you click gift cards, and then you can click redeem now. And then you scratch off the back of a Roblox redeem card. I like to go to Target and Walmart, and there's another store called GameStop. Those 3 are the ones that I go for Roblox gift cards, because if one doesn't have the other kind of gift card, so there are different types of gift cards. There are ones that say 1/10 through 100, and then you tell the guy what you want. Then there are 25s, there are 100s, there are a lot of other things. And then those just give you credit, which if you click here, buy Robux, and then if, for example, I click here, then once you have credit, there's another option that says Roblox credit, so either up here or down here. But if you just click this, then you type in the PIN directly, and then it will take the amount of balance, amount of credit needed to pay for it. For example, I'm in the US, so this is $20 US. So then it will take $20 US from my balance, and for your gift cards it will all be different and everything. And then, so yeah, that's about it. So anyway, thank you guys, and yeah, I will get into more in-depth things later on. This is Build-A-Boat, by the way. It's really fun. I recommend you try it. And add yourself to the group of Chill Studios. This is the ugly avatar that it turned out to be. So yeah, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm dead. Anyway, thank you, and that was how to make a Roblox account. As I was saying, the period thing. Goodbye. Yeah, so bye. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.